Something massive is happening right now at Camp Nou, and today's update shows some of the biggest structural changes we've seen so far. From giant compression ring segments getting ready for lifting, to rapid facade progress and the third tier almost reaching completion. The stadium is changing faster than ever. Let's break it all down. Significant attention is on the compression ring area, where multiple large steel segments are now positioned on site. Several massive components, including ring segments, radial beams, and vertical pillars, are staged and ready for lifting. Cranes have already secured some of these elements, indicating imminent installation. The quantity of material present suggests continuous and rapid assembly in the coming days, with lifting operations expected to increase very soon. At the upper levels, there is visible worker activity along the cantilever structures. While some zones appear temporarily calm, others show ongoing preparation work. Scaffolding, platforms, and structural supports are already in place. These areas are critical for future facade and roof integration, and work is progressing steadily, even if not uniformly across all sections, with groundwork already setting up the next phase. The south goal continues to show major advancement. Prefabricated seating sections are now approaching completion, with the third-tier structure nearly closed. Only a small number of sections remain before reaching full structural completion in this area. Recent progress includes extensive installation of scaffolding and formwork panels. Support structures have been rapidly assembled, and large sections are now being covered with slab panels. This indicates preparation for upcoming concrete works and further structural reinforcement. The pace in this area has accelerated significantly over the past few days, showing strong coordination across teams. The facade installation continues to expand, with multiple sections already completed. Several zones have fully installed lamas, while others are in the preparation phase with anchors and supports in place. In the North Goal area, installation has begun rapidly, with multiple lamas already mounted in a short time. Additional units are ready for lifting, indicating fast-paced continuation and consistent daily progress. Workers are actively installing anchors and support brackets across various facade sections. Elevated platforms are heavily utilized throughout the stadium, enabling access to difficult structural points. In some areas, floor platforms and guardrails have also been completed, improving accessibility for ongoing work and allowing smoother workflow across different levels. A new development is the installation of black panels in certain structural sections. These panels are now covering areas between structural beams and will likely serve as part of the facade finishing system. While still limited to specific zones, this marks the beginning of a new visual phase in the stadium's exterior development, gradually changing the overall appearance. Inside the structure, workers are carrying out finishing tasks, including surface preparation and adjustments on concrete elements. Hydraulic tools are being used to refine structural joints and surfaces. These operations are essential for ensuring proper alignment and finishing before final installations, preparing the structure for upcoming detailed work stages. The first VIP ring has its glass panels fully installed, forming a transparent outer layer that allows natural light and clear exterior visibility. Interior work is still progressing slowly, with construction materials present on the floors and electrical systems in the installation phase, including visible cable routing through conduits. The second VIP ring is being enclosed with solid, opaque panels, eliminating outward views and focusing entirely on the interior stadium perspective. Structurally, both VIP levels are clearly defined, but finishing work such as flooring, ceiling systems, and interior detailing is still ongoing and far from completion. The lateral sector remains the most advanced section of the stadium and clearly represents the final architectural vision. The facade detailing is consistent, and the structure appears close to its finished state in this area. Lighting interaction with the facade elements is already visible, giving a strong impression of the completed stadium design. This section continues to act as a benchmark for progress across the rest of the stadium. The north goal section is progressing steadily, but still remains behind the lateral sector in overall development. Some facade elements have started to appear, including newly installed decorative panels, indicating the beginning of exterior finishing work. However, larger gaps are still visible in the third-tier seating due to incomplete structural work beneath, particularly concrete pillars and slab sections that are still under construction. Work is ongoing, but the pace remains slower compared to other areas. The parking and surrounding areas are currently in the ground development phase, with continuous work focused on leveling and preparing the surface. Soil is being added in layers to align with ramp elevations, indicating preparation for future infrastructure. Heavy machinery and material movement are active across the site, but no final surface finishes or structural layouts are visible yet. The entire area still reflects an early-stage construction environment with steady but gradual progress. In the Tribune area, major progress is visible with the installation of large support connectors for the facade system. These structural elements are significantly larger, indicating wider spacing for the upcoming roof and lama support system. Crane operations are actively lifting and positioning these components with precision. The scale of these connectors highlights the complexity of this section, and installation is moving forward steadily with more units being added. In the diamond area, work has resumed inside the structure with visible crane activity and ongoing internal adjustments. Teams are focusing on finishing tasks and structural refinements within the interior space. Although this zone had been relatively quiet after earlier installations, new activity indicates continued development of internal infrastructure. Progress here appears controlled and gradual, preparing the area for future finishing phases. The third tier is now approaching its final stages of structural completion, with most prefabricated seating sections already installed across key areas. Only a limited number of sections remain, mainly in specific corners and gaps. The overall structure is nearly closed, clearly showing the full shape of the upper seating bowl. This phase is progressing efficiently, and once completed, the focus will shift towards finishing work such as surface treatment, painting, and seat installation. And that brings us to the end of today's update from Camp Nou. As we can clearly see, the construction is moving fast across multiple zones, especially the facade, structural seating, and compression ring areas where major progress is happening day by day. The stadium is slowly but surely transforming into its final form. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to stay connected for daily progress reports, because the next few days are expected to bring even bigger structural changes. See you in the next update. Take care and goodbye.